Hello guys, welcome to my channel Fabricate Dolls. In my channel, you will see a lot of videos to transform your dolls. It's about their dressing and it's about their makeover and also their hairstyles. I just want to tell you, I love doing this in my leisure time. What do you guys do? Can you just please drop a comment and let me know what type of hobby do you have? And if you like my video or not, you can just tell me in the comment section and drop a suggestion as well. I will love to have that. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds.